Ano yan? Ani?
Walking. Walking in the rain.
Walking with the rain.
Walking in the rain. Ala, naulan na talaga.
Umuulan na talaga. Totoo na yan, Day. Totoo na talaga ang ulan. Hindi na biro. Wala, ang lakas.
Ano gamit ito? Ano gagas yan doon? Ay, may payong naman.
Oo, may payo.
We have included that with the walking in the rain.
Sabi ni Honey, walking in the rain daw.
Walking in the rain. It's better malakas the rain. Ulan, patay kawayan.